Alright, so blessings everyone. Come with me as we're heading to Steertown to see if we can get signal. This is after Hurricane Beryl falls. We live at Davistown, so we have to traverse Davistown, go to Chalky Hill to head down to Steertown, which is one of the major community where we can get signal. And yes, it's bush, so we're gonna have a lot of trees falling down. And if you should stick around, I'll give you part 2. To be honest, I doubted that we're even going to have electricity because the trees fell and hit out most of the light posts that are leading into the communities, are really connecting the communities. So we're not going to have current for a while, which means digital and flow is out. But indeed we are okay. The family is okay. We had a little water intake, but to God be the glory, we're fine. We're preparing for round 2 because the wind is picking up again, and the skies are getting darker. So let's see. We continue to pray. I pray as well for anybody else who have experienced it a lot worse than we have. This is a friend of ours. He has about 35 or 33 cows, so he was going to check on them. So we stopped and asked him if all is well, which he said yes, everything is okay.